Hello everybody, I am the Home Tech Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Google browsing experience just a little bit brighter. How many times have you come to your computer and turned on the screen at night and it was just a little bit bright? I'm going to show you how to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to come down here and click on Google Chrome and open up the browser here, and I am going to show you how to go to the Chrome Web Store so that you can download what's called an extension for your browser so that you can control the experience and make it dark. I'm going to come up here to these three little dots so that I can customize and control Google Chrome, and I'm going to click that and it's going to show me a menu here. I'm going to click on settings down here. This is going to open up my settings page here. I'm going to scroll down to appearance and I'm going to click on open Chrome Web Store right there. That's going to open up the web store where all the themes are and all the extensions are. The one that I want is called Dark Reader. I'm going to go ahead and click that there. That's the one I want. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Chrome, and it's going to ask me Add Dark Reader. It can read and change your data on the website you visit. Yes, I want to add the extension. It's going to change things to dark. Now it has just been added, and there we go. That's going to explain some things about it that you can look at later if you'd like to. I'm going to go ahead and just close this tab up here, and I'm going to close this Chrome Web Store tab right here as well, and I'm going to close the settings page here, and boom, it has just taken effect. Look at that. It's nice and dark, and this will also affect my Gmail as well, so I can click on Gmail up here and open up my Gmail. It'll load this, and all of the dark text is now light and the page is dark. That makes it just a little bit easier to look at and read. And while that's loading, I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Look at that, nice and dark. Now I'm also going to come up to the top of the page here and type in YouTube, and when I come to YouTube, this should also make my YouTube experience darker as well. Fantastic. Look at that. Let's go to my channel here and see what this looks like. Bingo. That's my YouTube channel. If you are interested in the content that you see on these videos, go ahead and like the video that you see with the thumbs up button down there. Click that for me. And if you want to see more of these videos, just subscribe to my video. You'll see a subscribe button up at the top right. Actually, down below the video, you'll see a red subscribe button. Hit that. So this is all dark. I'm going to go back to Google page, and this is my Google search page. Now, the only problem is this top search bar is still pretty bright. And when it's dark in a room, that's still pretty bright. So I'm going to also change that. So I'm going to install another extension. I'm going to click up here again to this settings button, and here's my settings. And I'm also going to go back to the Chrome Web Store. I'm going to come down here and click on the Chrome Web Store again. And I'm going to look for something that's called Material Incognito Dark. Yours won't show up on the page right away, so you will type in Material Incognito Dark, and that's the one you want. Go ahead and click on that, and this will show up at the top. We're going to go ahead and add this to Chrome as well. Click on that Add to Chrome button, and this will check things, and it is installed. Installed theme, Material Incognito Dark theme. Fantastic. So that is ready to go, and look at the top of my browser bar. It is now dark, and there we have it. Everything's dark except for this search bar, and that's okay. So one last thing, if you want to look at your web pages during the day and you want it to be back like it was before, all you have to do is come up here to this little Dark Reader extension that showed up now at the top of your browser and click on that, and you can turn it off like that. So it's a toggle switch. You can toggle the extension on and off as you like, and just click back on there for it to go away. And so the little symbol changes to little boy with glasses on, and if I click on it again and I turn it back on, You'll see it looks like a Darth Vader with red glasses on. And that's how to make all your pages dark. Hope you like that. If you liked the video, again, go ahead and hit the like button down there and subscribe if you want me to give you more videos. You'll be notified when I make a new video, and I'm going to try to do one of these per week. Thank you very much for tuning in. Take care.